Hey guys, so I'm experimenting again. I absolutely love pancakes and I love the Flourish protein pancake and waffle mix, but I like adding other ingredients. So today we're going to do a high protein cottage cheese chocolate cocoa pancake. So let's get started. First, to my Ninja, I'm going to add 1 extra large egg, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. And then we're going to blend it. So we're going to blend this up. Make sure it's nice and creamy. It's nice and creamy, but I forgot to add a splash of vanilla. I like adding a little bit of vanilla. The other thing I'm going to add next are the dry ingredients. I have a 1/3 cup of the Flourish. It's the chocolate flavored. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of my favorite cocoa berry cocoa powder. So 2 tablespoons, and I'm adding a heaping tablespoon of Swerve sugar replacement. And if you want to use honey or you want to use any other sugar replacement, you can do that. And now we're going to blend it. Now we're going to blend that up. I was predicting that it's going to be a bit thick, so I have some, let's see, white mocha chocolate 0 sugar cream. You could add whatever milk or cream, and I'm going to try about 1/4 cup. You can see it's still too thick, so I'm adding the 1/4 cup, and hopefully that'll be good. And you can use almond milk, regular milk, or cream if you want, or even a little bit of water. Guys, if you want even a thicker batter, you could add a couple more tablespoons of the protein pancake and waffle mix. Depends how thin or thick you like them. I'm going to add some blueberries. I love these blueberries from Costco, wherever, or any fruit you want to add. Heat your skillet, spray it well. You can use oil sprays or avocado oil or butter or margarine. It's up to you. It's versatile. And if you want them to the same size-ish, I also use these like egg holders and cookie cutters. I just added some of the mixture in here, and I'm just going to just add a few blueberries. They're quite large. And I'm going to turn down my skillet because we don't want them to burn. And I don't remove the cookie or egg cutters from the batter yet. I let it just sit for a few minutes. You can make them as big or as little as you want, or as thick or as thin as you want. And then I like to remove it, and voila, it looks beautiful. And you can see they are the same size. And then I'm going to add more, and I'm going to flip these babies over. Flip 2 over. Let's see if I can flip this one over with one hand. And I don't like to pat it down because I like them nice and poofy. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the batter once these are cooked. I usually just make a few at a time. You can see I scraped down my Ninja to make 3 more pancakes, and I'm going to add some more blueberries. Again, you can use whatever fruit you like. I just love these blueberries, and just going to let it sit again. And there's 1, 2, 3 beautiful pancakes. And I already have the other 3. I'm very excited. They're going to be delicious. The last 2 are cooking, and Oh my God, I can't wait to try these. The batter tastes amazing, and that's a key factor when the batter, don't forget to turn off your oven. When the batter tastes good, then you know that the pancakes are going to be amazing. So if you want, you could add some honey, regular or sugar-free. I like adding some whipped cream, some maple syrup. This is a sugar-free one. Your favorite jam. You could add peanut butter. And then I like doing this, or Cool Whip. And then enjoy Risa Weiner YouTube for these and lots of other recipes. And I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Subscribe if you haven't. Share, like, comment, okay? And enjoy.